I'm Ryan Veno with Veno Properties. It is no secret that one of the hardest parts of owning a rental property is dealing with maintenance and repairs. Whether that be routine repairs, turnovers, or after-hour emergencies, reliable contractors are hard to find. And the best ones are usually booked out for months, cost a fortune, or both. Here at Veno Properties, we have your back when it comes to maintenance. For most repairs, turnovers, and even late renovations, we have our own in-house team of trained, insured, and uniformed maintenance techs to make sure your maintenance needs are handled quickly. We provide all of our techs with company vans stocked with commonly needed parts like faucets, electrical receptacles, supply lines, toilet repair parts, and hundreds of other items, minimizing the time needed to complete a repair. For specialty jobs like tree removal, roofing, HVAC replacement, or other large jobs, we work with a network of pre-approved contracting partners that can provide quotes or repairs at great prices since we do such high volumes of work with them. And for emergency work, we even handle that. Our after-hours maintenance hotline is staffed 365 days a year with live receptionists that are trained in fielding maintenance emergencies and in troubleshooting over the phone whenever possible. If an issue is truly an emergency, like a flood or a fire, we will dispatch the appropriate on-call vendor or emergency personnel to handle it. If you have more questions about our maintenance department or our property management in general, please give us a call and we'd be happy to provide additional information. I'm Ryan Veno with Veno Properties.